You want to beat your procrastination and you really struggle with it right now. I've struggled with procrastination for a long time, but right now I'm more so thinking I don't have enough time in my day to do all the tasks I have to do. So, I want to help you with 3 simple systems to beat procrastination forever. So let's get started with the first one. The first one is to really find your purpose, your why you need to beat that procrastination and why you need to achieve your daily tasks. If this why isn't big enough, if this why isn't strong enough, you won't beat it. So for me, I want to look far in the future. I want to be able to provide. I want to be able to give back. I want to really share my knowledge, share what I've learned. So I have to take action today because I also want to build my businesses. I want to start out on this journey of an entrepreneur. This entrepreneurship, I want to take it as far as possible for me. So this is the first step. If you can't figure out your why, you won't beat procrastination. That's your first task. Figure out your why. Take any system you want. I myself figure out my why a little bit by taking the Japanese ikigai and applying it to myself, filling out these circles and really thinking about it. Journaling helped me as well a lot, just writing down my goals, my beliefs. Just figure out your why. Next up is clarity on your path. What is your goal? So, what do you want to reach? How will your path look on the way there? So think about what steps it might take to get to where you want to go. What steps you need to take every single day to get where you want to go. So for me myself, I want to take this content creation journey really far. So I'm taking action every single day. I'm learning, I'm applying, I'm going back, I'm learning again. I'm starting to get familiar with editing software. Starting to get familiar with color grading. I'm uploading on YouTube consistently. I'm pre-scheduling videos for when I'm away at vacation. I'm really trying every single day to make this a bulletproof system. Get clear on your path to what you want to reach, and you will have things to do every single day. And then the last system that I started applying some time ago at the end of last year, maybe December 24, is really planning each day the night before. But don't just write a to-do list. Write down every single task you have to do and write down next to it the time it has to be done by. So maybe you want to wake up at this time, let's say 7 o'clock. You write it down and you write down 7 o'clock next to it. Write down wake up 7 o'clock. Next up, you write down you want to read 10 pages. Let's say in any book. You have to have that done by 7:20. If you schedule out your whole day until you go to bed, really take each task you have to do and until you go to bed, then if you want to go and achieve all those tasks, you have no time for procrastination, or you will not feel that good when you go to bed. But if you make it happen and you really achieve all those goals you set yourself, you will be proud of yourself and will really achieve your goals faster. So really apply this, start working to it. Procrastination is never an easy theme. I struggled with it some day more than another. and I haven't beaten it completely, but I'm getting closer day by day, and I'm thinking about it every single day. So with that being said, keep building.